Hi, my name is Whiskers the cat, and I will be your Meow the baker today. Today, I will show you how to make butter chocolate chip cookies. Here's what we'll need. 2 1/4 cups all. Purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 3/4 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Meow! The recipe in pour! Perfect! Now, let's get our paws dirty figuratively. Of course. First, preheat your oven to 375°F. Start with the dry crew flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together. If you don't have thumbs like me, use a mixer. Cream the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Add the eggs one at a time. Whiskers cracks the eggs flawlessly. Oh, look at that form. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. Time for the big moment. Combine the dry ingredients with the wet ones. Once we have a smooth dough, fold in the chocolate chips. My favourite part. Continue to mix by folding motion of the dough. We are almost there. Scoop them onto a baking sheet. About a tablespoon of dough per cookie. Space them out so they don't get too cozy. Now, put these cookies in the oven to bake for 8-10 minutes. Cookies bake fast, golden beauties. Cool them. Avoid burning tongue. Our wonderful cookies are finally done. Meow, meow. Share with friends or savor alone. No judgment here. Enjoy your cookies and see you next time. Meow for now. Meow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Whisk-tastic adventures. Paws up and see you next time.